Hi, it's Rob Levy again with Keller Williams Realty here in Portland, Oregon. This is Rob Levy with the Rob Levy Real Estate Team, sharing my years of experience with you. Today I wanted to talk about something pretty interesting, and it's about when you buy a house and the economic impact of buying a house in the marketplace. Take a look at this video. I think you'll find it interesting and be very surprised, as was I, as to how much money goes into the community when you buy a house. Thanks again for watching this video, and if you're thinking about buying a house or know anybody that is, be sure to give us a call. Here at the Rob Levy Team, we've been in business for 32 years in the Portland metropolitan area, and we're happy to help assist you buy a house or sell your existing home too. Thanks so much. I look forward to hearing from you.